Bishan Singh Bedi looks at the scoreboard and set to face Cullen on the last day of the final test match and approaching towards the history. Will India be able to pull this off? We will know in today's story of India versus Australia's greatest encounters. If you enjoy watching such stories, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This story is about India versus Australia 1977-78 series. India, led by Bishan Singh Bedi, faced Australia, which was hit by Gary Packer World Series tournament. But Australia was led by Bob Simpson, who came out of retirement. 10 years ago, India lost to Australia 4-0 on their home soil. This was the time when India had that famous spin trio of Chandra, Bedi and Prasanna, and accompanied by pace bowlers like Madan Lal and Karsan Ghavri. Will India be able to pull this off this time?
The captain stood up and got Australia for 166, bagging 5 wickets in the first innings. But soon after, the debutant on Australian side, Wayne Clark and Tony Mann, ripped apart Indian innings and the score was 153 all out. Interestingly, Wayne Clark was later found guilty of chucking the ball, but that time there were no such rules. However, Australia bounced back in the second innings and Bob Simpson showed why he was a star at 41 years of age. India got a target of 340 and Gavaskar scored a century, and then wicketkeeper Syed Kirmani scored a half century. Bedi on the non-striker end witnessed the heartbreaking loss of 16 runs when the last wicket fell for a duck. But to Australia's surprise, India made 324 runs and gave a statement that Bedi's men are here to fit rather than surrender. And from here, India went on to the batsman's nightmare. One of the fastest wickets, yes, you guessed it right, the WACA Stadium in Perth, the famous 2008 win, which we will cover later. But this bowler's paradise fell short to the genius of fighter Jimmy, nicknamed of Mohinder Amarnath, and late Chetan Chauhan, the then opener. Both faced ferocious Jeff Thompson, a peak fast bowler of the time, and India scored 402 in Perth. But again, Bob Simpson was like a frustration and scored 176 runs, putting Aussies to 394, despite of the amass effort of captain Bishan Singh Bedi. But India still had a lead, and the great little master Sunny Gavaskar, who rammed Australian bowlers along with Jimmy, scoring hundreds and taking India to 330. The stage was set for the first victory of India in Australia, and that also in Perth. But Tony Mann and Tuhi had another plans. Both scored more than half of the totals, and Australia chased the targets with 2 wickets left.
By this time, Indian team was disheartened, but still believed that they can do miracles. You know why? Because both the matches were so close. So they went on to the MCG test. But things went south quickly as Gavaskar and Chetan Chauhan both got out for a duck. But then came Jimmy and Vishwanath. Jimmy showed his father's character and had a partnership of 105 runs with Vishwanath. Jimmy's father, Lala Amarnath, was the first person to score a century against England in British-occupied India.
India got 256 runs, and then came the havoc of Chandra, whose spin bowling with sound and quick pace got Aussies on their knees, and they fell like cards for 213 runs. This was a moral boost and a huge relief for India, and they started batting with the second inning expert Sunil Gavaskar, who once again showed his class. But special mention to Jimmy again, who played a fighting knock even after having injured left hand. The Indian commitment was impeccable, and India scored 343 runs. When Aussies came to bat again, they suffered a wrath of informed Chandra, who got them back to pavilion under 164 runs, thus giving India first ever win in Australia, and that too with 222 runs of massive difference. But the story is not over here. This was a 5-match series, and India were trailing 2-1. Do and die situation entering Sydney for the 4th test, and confidence is high. Australia batted first and battled to stay on the crease, but failed in front of Chandra and Bedi duo. They made 131 runs only. One thing to note here, India heavily relied on the spin at that time, but this changed with the entry of Kapil Dev. India scored 396 runs and declared thanks to Vishwanath and Karsan Ghavri, the then fast bowling all-rounder. Prasanna was pretty quiet this whole series, but at this point, he did his part and Australia's second inning which fell short by 2 runs and India won this match playing once only. So India won by an inning and 2 runs. This was another huge victory and the series now tied to 2-2, entering the nail-biting final test of Adelaide. So for the final test, Australia came for batting and kept on going, thrashing Indian bowlers, amassing 502 runs on the board. In response, India fell prey to Wayne Clark again and got only 269. Match was pretty one-sided, but in second innings, Karsan Ghavri and Captain Bedi stepped up and stopped Australia for 256, leaving a humongous target of 493 runs for India to chase in the fourth inning, which was done by India previously against West Indies, but that was 403 runs. But still, do-or-die situation, and Indian batsmen showed the courage unmatched. And once again, Jimmy, Vishwanath, Vengsarkar and Kirmani cracked open the Australian bowlers, and India was racing with 442 for the loss of 8 wickets. Bishan Bedi looked at the scoreboard, still 51 runs more to win, facing the debutant Callan, struck the ball in the air and unfortunately got caught. India were down now for 9 wickets and all came down to Prasanna and Chandra now. But sadly, Chandra fell soon after Bedi and India scored 445 runs in second innings, giving Australia a 47 runs victory.
India lost the series 3-2. But one thing to note here, India fought back hard. In this match as well, India scored 445 runs in the second inning, going for a chase. This helped India to build a reputation in Australia and they got back their self-respect because 10 years ago they lost 4-0. That's why this is one of the greatest series between India and Australia. If you like such kind of stories, we have more cricket stuff for you in these videos. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, peace guys.